Okay, now let's have a look at some more code examples. You can download the source code at Skill Center GitHub page. Suppose we have a nullable string first name. And we want to find the number of letters in this string. If we try to call a count method directly, the compiler will not allow us to do it, because it allows only safe and non-null asserted calls on instances of nullable types. So a more verbose way, Java way, would be to check if the instance is not null. If the instance is not null, we just call the count method. Otherwise, we just return null. In Kotlin, an if-else construct is not a statement but an expression, and therefore it can be assigned to a variable. In our case, the variable type would be a nullable int. It is not surprising, because in our case, this variable can contain both integers and a null value. Now let's do the same operation in a more concise Kotlin way. We call the count method using the save call operator and assign the result to a variable. Now, a save call operator can be used not only to call methods, but also to access properties. For example, string has a length property, and we can access this property of a nullable string with a save call operator. As it turns out, we can chain several save calls. Let's have a look at the code example. Suppose we have a minor class, and one of its properties is a nullable string. And we also have a student class. One of its properties is a nullable minor. Now let's create an instance of a minor and a student. And suppose we want to get a capitalized int4 of the minor of our student. In order to do this, we just chain two save calls together. So in our case, the result is null. So as you can see, Kotlin supports a very concise syntax. With just one line of code, we have expressed quite a lot of logic.